Hello. Today I shot black and white pictures only on a quick trip to Conegliano. I've been to this town a few times and already shot enough photos of this city, so how do I keep this trip fresh? By shooting black and white only. It helps me look at the same scenery in a different way. It's Christmas season and there's a Christmas market and everything. The decoration is very vibrant, colorful, but I must not yield to the temptation of color. Black and white only. It's not easy to pull off black and white photography. A lot of information is in the color by design in our world. So shooting in black and white means intelligently filtering out the color information and playing the game of light and shadow, shapes and forms, silhouette and contrast. It requires a lot of photography IQ. I try, but I must admit it is a very difficult endeavor. Black and white only. Today I used my newly acquired Lumix 20-60mm lens. Man, this lens is so fun. It's the best zoom lens I've ever used. It doesn't matter the aperture is not that bright. It's just so fun. I've just converted from a zoom lens guy to a prime lens guy. Now the 20-60 pulls me right back in love with zoom lenses. I love the zoom range. 20mm is freaking awesome. Very refreshing perspective to look at the world with. 60mm is just enough or perfect. I think when I shoot street and cityscape, I never actually use telephoto focal length because I think the telephoto focal length flattens the image too much and it looks kind of boring. So 20-60mm is actually perfect focal range for me. I do have the Leica 10-25mm f1.7 micro four thirds, which serve the same purpose in terms of focal range, but the benefit of the Lumix 20-60 is that it's half the size and weight of that premium Leica lens. It is so fun. I can't wait to review this lens, but as always, I'll have to first accumulate a few hundreds of good sample images. It'll take some time. Anyways, guess what camera did I use today for these pictures? All pictures are shot JPEG straight out of camera with zero editing. Guess it right, you win a prize. The prize is a like on your comment. Thank you for watching. Ciao.